Welcome back to Southwestern Cannabis, helping you grow your own. This is a Boaty McBoatface, courtesy of OCS, leaving seeds in their weed. As you can see, it is totally plagued with spider mites. I'm just getting sick of them. So my solution is to keep them uncomfortable. So I bought this ultrasonic humidifier, and I'm going to muck them up with a little bit of lemongrass. If you have any suggestions for other essential oils, leave them down below. Room humidity is at 49 to start. In 10 minutes it brought it up to 57% humidity, and another hour it was at 87 in the tent. Don't forget to subscribe and click the button for more notifications. See ya.